and welcome back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, we're going to be utilizing a momentum-based strategy to make $400 or more. Without further ado, let's take a deep dive into this morning's episode. So to start off today, I'm currently up $850.60 in one account. So I don't know if I'm going to copy trade all of these accounts today since I'm already up a nice sizable amount. And based on the economic calendar, we really don't have a lot of movement going on today. A lot of the key, major reports, they were delayed. And based on the overall market watch list, most of the stocks, they're bearish on the overall market watch list. So we may possibly have a pullback today. So let's keep a close eye on our key support levels and our resistance levels. Now we're going to cover levels for our options and our futures traders. Starts, we have a key support level for IWM. It's priced at $243.37. Our pivot point is priced at $244.41, and our first level of resistance, it's at $245.19. For SPA, we have a key support level at $674.98. Our first pivot point, it's at $677.26, and our first level of resistance is at $678.76. QQQ, we have a key support level at $620. We have a key pivot point price at $622.67, and our first level of resistance, it's at $624.62. All right, family, it's about to be showtime. Let's get it. It's about to be showtime. Man, look at this pullback on the rise. Possible pullback is on the rise, family. I wanted to play this move right here in pre-market at 9 a.m. through 9:05, and I noticed that I locked my accounts the previous day until 9:30 a.m. so I wasn't able to catch that move. Hopefully I'll be able to catch something when the market opens up at 9:30 a.m. Let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. Market is open. And everyone, do me a favor. Please click that like button for me when you get a chance. All right, so we're starting to pull back a little tad bit. We're starting to pull back a little tad bit. We just broke below support level number 1. Your boy Money Spence want to get in right now. I'm trying to be patient. We had a 40-point move on the open. We already dropped below the key support level.
Order filled.
Keep a close eye on $25,675.91. I just started off with one contract to see how it's going to work out. We have a pre-market low at $25,616.75.
Order
I'll
filled.
go ahead and add one more right here. I'm holding 2 contracts short at the moment. Trying to see if we're going to drop a little bit more. The only thing that really gets me is when we start, bouncing, since we're already trading below some key support levels. Every time. Keep a close eye on the pre-market low. It's priced at $25,616.75. The buyers, they're stepping in on the 1-minute time frame at 9:32 a.m. I'm down on my short. And good morning, everyone who just joined us. Good morning. We're already trading below some of the key, EMAs on our chart as well. Let me switch platforms really quick to show you all. So we're already trading below the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 200 EMA. Kind of a little annoyed with myself because I missed the first initial, move. But it's starting to, work back out right now. It's starting to work out a little tad bit. So I'm still holding my short. All right, so it's starting to turn green now. Let's go. Starting to turn green. I'm going to add one more right here, family.
Order filled.
Holding 3 contracts right now. All right, look like we're about to drop below this key low. We have a key price low at $25,628.25. I'll probably buy 3 more contracts if we lose that level. Currently down on my current short position. The buyers, they're stepping in on the 1-minute time frame. All right, so the VIX, it just increased by 1%. The market should, eventually start pulling back. If the VIX increased up to 2%, it should start pulling back. We still have, a 5-minute bearish candle on our chart at the moment as well. All right, so I'm still down on my current position. Let's go. All right, so we can start implementing the 5-minute ORB. If we break below the first 5-minute low, it's a possibility that we may continue to go lower, family. So get ready. I'm currently short on the Nasdaq at the moment. Let's go. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Order filled.
Add a little bit more right here.
Order
Let me add a little
filled.
bit more right here. Holding 5 contracts in each account. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. Beautiful. Keep going. Beautiful. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Don't let us down. Keep going. All right.
Order
We
filled.
take some profits right
Order
here. We
filled.
get back in right here.
Order filled.
Get back in right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going.
Order filled.
Holding 5 contracts in each account. Come on. We should start getting that drop pretty soon, family. Come the hell on. The move just need to continue lower. Down on the current position right now, 100 and some change. The move did not follow through. Down 200 and some change. All right, so now I'm only down a small amount right now. Come on, man. Give us that pullback. Give us that pullback. First 15-minute candle of the day. Let's see how the first 15-minute candle look. First 15-minute candle of the day, it's bearish. It's bearish. The move, it's not following through. Well, it's trying to, but it's just, taking its time to, build up. It's taking its own good old time building up. So I'm only holding 5 contracts in each account. I'm only holding 5 contracts in each account, so I'm not too heavy at the moment. We do have a key support level at $25,619.50. That's going to be a key support level for us. Once we break below that, we should start hitting towards $25,572.33, down about 200 and some change on this current position. Damn, bro, every time. Mm, mm, mm. We have some buyers stepping in on the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute and 2-minute time frame. Down a nice, sizable amount at the moment. Down 400 and some change. Wow. I'm still holding. Hopefully we can get a drop after this 5-minute candle close. Still holding. All right, so now I'm down about 200 and some change. Still waiting patiently for this thing to work out, family. And I hate when I get in close near support levels and then it start, bouncing back up towards the upside. See, that's where, patience come in at. I wasn't, patient enough. I should have waited until it retraced back towards the upside. So now I'm only down about 100 and some change after being down about 400 and some change, per account. Hopefully this thing, starts, pulling back down. All right, so now I'm only down about all right, so the VIX, it just increased 2%. That's a good sign for the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, it should start dropping down towards the downside, pretty soon, as long as the VIX continue to increase. All right, so the buyers, they're coming back in. But at least we don't have any strong 5-minute bullish candles. That's one thing I will say. We don't have any strong 5-minute bullish candles. So this move, it should start working out eventually. So let's try our best to keep our composure. And let's wait patiently for that move to, start working out. All right, so now I'm green on my position. Let's go. It's starting to turn green. Beautiful. This is what I was waiting for. Beautiful.
Order
All right, I
filled.
just secured profits, family. Let's go. Let's go.
Order
This
filled.
move is looking too good towards the downside, man. It's looking too good towards the downside. All right. So your boy Money Spence. I'm up over $1,000 for the day so far. Man, this move is looking good. It's looking good, family. It's looking real good.
Order filled.
Just took some more profits. So I think right now I'm up about probably close to $2,000 so far in all accounts.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here, family. This move is looking too good towards the downside. Keep a close eye on the shorts towards the downside, family. Close eye on the shorts. Whew. Come on, keep dropping. Keep dropping. This is a nice 5-minute bearish candle that just broke below the pre-market support. Let's see if we can continue to go lower. And man, and today I'll be able to get a payout out of this current account that I'm currently, trading in. As long as this move can continue to keep dropping. Now it's reversing. Still holding those 3 contracts. Still holding those 3 contracts at the moment. So right now I'm down a small amount. Let me see. Down a small amount at the moment. I'm not going to panic. So far for the day. So far for the day, I'm up $1,939.45 with all accounts, combined. And, honestly, I should, be happy with that, but I'm trying to capitalize on this move, a little bit more before I decide to, get out. Trying to capitalize a little bit more on this move. Come on. This thing is starting to retrace now. It's making me a little nervous. It's making your boy Money Spence a little nervous. That's where we got to start, controlling our emotions. And like right now, I feel like I'm doing a little bit of, over trading. The goal it has already been reached, but I'm trying to, capitalize on this move, even more. Trying to capitalize on the move even more. So I'm still holding my, few shorts. We're currently trading in 5, funded accounts at the moment. So everything is copy traded. Everything is copy. Let's see if we can continue to go lower. Hopefully the VIX will start moving up a little bit more. It's currently at 2.83%. Once it go to 3%, we should continue to see, some more downtrend for NQ towards the downside. And we just need to be patient. The move is going to work out. We already locked in some profits, so far for the day. So that was a good sign for us so far. So let's see if this thing is going to continue to drop towards the downside. For the first 15 minutes of the day, we're bearish. For the first 15 minutes, I'm going to lock in profits pretty soon once this trade, turns green. And then I'm going to, probably start locking some accounts. Man, this move is taking too long. All right, so now we can start implementing the 15-minute ORB strategy. The buyers are coming back in. All right, so now I'm down 100 and some change on this position. I could have took profits at $25,585.75, but based on what's going on in the overall market, we may possibly see a massive, drop today. We honestly don't know what's going to happen though until it happens. I'm down 200 and some change on this position. What the fuck? I hate when I do that shit. All right, family. So the bulls, they're stepping in on the 5-minute time frame. Down 300 and some change on this position at the moment. 5-minute bulls are stepping in aggressively. So let me see. Stock up said he's up $185 times 3. Great job, Stock Up, man. I love the discipline that you've been shown, recently, my brother. Keep up the great work. We're currently trading NQ towards the downside. Shafi, good morning, my brother. Good morning, Shafi. How you doing, fam? Currently down on this short position at the moment. Being a little greedy. Currently down on the short. Hopefully we'll break back below $25,585.75. We're still trading below all of the key EMAs on the 5-minute time frame. Down 300 and some change on this current position. In this 5-minute candle, it will be closing in approximately 2 minutes and some change. Excuse me. Down 370 at the moment. Still green so far for the day. If this thing doesn't come back down, man, I'm going to be highly disappointed in myself. Highly disappointed. Because today, I supposed to take out a payout in our leader account. Supposed to be taking out a payout today. And I don't even think I have it in me to sell this trade, at a loss at the moment. Even though I'm down about 400 and some change on it. Almost down 500 on it. Yeah, I don't have it in me to sell it for a loss. Yeah. So now, just gonna wait patiently for that thing to come on back down, and I might, buy, one more or two more if I start, seeing it, starting to, come back down. But I'm not gonna sell this trade for a loss. All right, so now I'm down about 375 bucks on the trade. It's starting to, pull back a little tad bit. All right, so now I'm down $250. So I'm not gonna panic.
Order
Let me
filled.
add one right here. Let's see if we can continue to get that move towards the downside. Come on. All right, let's go, family. Let's see what we can get. I need us to break below this low right here. Once we break below $25,602.50, we should get a continuation move towards the downside. At the moment, I'm still down on my current position. And I'm just waiting patiently, for this thing to work out. I came into the trading day with a bias, which we shouldn't do. We should just wait on the technicals. Okay, so now I'm green on the position. Let's go. Let's go. And I'm gonna take those
Order filled.
profits.
Order
I'll
filled.
buy a little bit more right here. Let's go. All right, family. So you see how things can turn around for you so fast? At one moment, I was down a massive amount on that position, right? And I just tried my best to, stay calm and just allow the position to work out for me. I didn't panic. You know, I didn't start breathing all fast. I just allowed the shit to work out, man. I'm glad it, worked out for us. Beautiful, beautiful.
Order filled.
All right, so I just secured profits on that play right there. Just secured profits on that play right there. Hey, family, we may start going towards the downside, so get ready. It's about to be showtime. Let's go.
Order filled.
We may start dropping towards the downside. I just purchased 3 more contracts. We're starting to have some. All right, so the VIX, it's up 3% at the moment. The VIX, it's up 3% now. Let's see if we can start getting that downward pressure towards the downside. We have a strong 30-minute bearish candle developing on our chart. Get ready, family. It's about to be showtime towards the downside. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, so I just secured some more profits. Just secured some more profits. Let's go. Let me see. 309.48 times 5 plus 850.60. Damn. So far for the day, your boy Money Spence is up $2,398. And it's almost 10 a.m. But I'm like, damn, man, should I place one more trade? This move is starting to look too good.
Order
Fuck it,
filled.
man. I gotta get back in. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going lower. I just started out with 3 contracts, family. Keep going lower. We just bounced them down. We're not getting that follow through. We have a strong 30-minute bearish candle on the open. Hopefully this move will continue to go lower. I'm down about 100 and some change on my current position. Still up for the day about $2,398. Let's see if we can make a little bit more. This is a strong 1-hour bearish candle on our chart. We need to drop below $25,553.50 for a move lower. All right. Patience now. It's all about patience, family. It's all about patience right now. It's all about patience. Now, if you're a trader who like to, hold your positions a little longer, if you hold your position, long today, you might make a nice sizable amount. But I'll be out of this trade by, 10 a.m. for sure. I'll be out of this trade by 10 a.m. We have a strong 1-hour bearish candle developing on our chart. We need to drop below $25,554.75. Once we drop below that level, my current position, it'll turn green. Let's go. It's about to be showtime, family, towards the downside. It's about to be showtime towards the downside. Let's go. This is what we show up for every day, to catch these beautiful trends. To catch these beautiful trends towards the downside. All right, so my play is starting to turn green. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Beautiful.
Order filled.
All right, let me take those profits. All right, family. So what I'm going to do now, since I'm already up a nice sizable amount, I'm going to start, locking some accounts right now, since I'm already up a nice sizable amount. The move, it may go lower. Based on what I'm seeing right now, it looked like the move definitely, want to go lower. But I want to also show you all how to process a payout as well. So let me go to my copy trading, and I'm going to remove all of these accounts so they won't, copy trade anymore. And we're going to check out, some profits for the day per account. All right, so in our first account, up $335.76. The second, $1,186.36. The third, 335.76. The fourth, 335.76. And the move, it's still going lower, family. So you can still hold on to your position if you want. And the fifth, 335.76. So that's a profit of $2,529.40. All right, so now I'm going to go to my other account, and I may possibly place a trade in this one, but my other accounts, I'm going to lock those accounts right now. And this is me, showing you all how to be a disciplined trader. At one point today, I was, kind of over trading. So let me show you all right now. So you won't give back profits in certain accounts. Just go to lockout and just lock that account, for the day, family. So in that one account, I'm up, for the day, 300 and some change. And then the other account, let me see, that's the big one, 1,000 and some change. So I'm gonna lock that one as well, because I don't want to give those profits back, and I don't want to overtrade. So this is your way of putting, certain parameters in place so you won't overtrade. In the market, it's still pulling back, family. The market is still pulling back. So the VIX, it's up 4%. And
Order filled.
I'm gonna get back in, family. And I'm gonna see if this thing gonna work out for us. I'm gonna get back in right here.
Order
Get by a little
filled.
bit more right here. Let's go. Already locked 2 accounts so far for the day. Already locked 2 accounts so far. Let's see if we'll continue to drop. We have a strong 1 hour bearish candle on our time frame. Let's go. It's about to be showtime, family. Let's get it. And I am also going to lock this account as well, so I don't overtrade in that one. So I already locked about 3 accounts so far. And now at the moment, I'm just leaving, some other accounts, open so I can catch this move. Let's go. We're still dropping lower, family. And I'm going to lock this other account right here. And I'm going to just leave one account, open for the day so I can continue to trade. And I'll show you all how to process a payout, as well. Come on, let's still, go. Oh man, we're starting to bounce. We're starting to bounce. Let's go. Let's go. And good morning, everyone who just joined us. Good morning. Beautiful. Come on, let's keep going lower. Keep going lower. Keep going lower. And I'm going to take profits on this thing pretty soon. I don't want to overstay my welcome. I'm going to take profits pretty soon. Beautiful. Beautiful. Keep going. Come on. And let's go to the 30-minute time frame for the first 30 minutes of the day. So you see this first 30-minute candle of the day? It's a strong bearish 30-minute candle, family.
Order filled.
Just secure some profits. Let's go. Let's go.
Order
Let
filled.
me get back in right here. This move is looking too good towards the downside. Whenever you see a strong full body 30-minute, 5-minute candle, 1 hour candle, it's usually a strong confirmation towards the downside. Whenever you see these strong, candles on our chart. And look at this 1 hour candle. It's a strong 1 hour bearish candle, family. Strong 1 hour bearish candle. This is how you catch these major trend days with these candlesticks. And I'm about to take profits pretty soon. Beautiful.
Order
All right.
filled.
I just secured profits on that play. Now I'm going to show you all how to process a payout. Now I'm going to show everybody how to process a payout really quick. Got to log into a, oh my God, we're still going lower, family. We're still going lower. I hope everyone was able to, eat on that, move towards the downside. Hey, Shafi, I should be asking you to hold something, bro. You the one who getting those $5,000 payouts and shit. Great job too, Shafi. Shafi, man, Shafi been killing it. So Shafi, he's one of the traders who I've been, coaching for the past, year. And he had his, his moments when he was struggling, but recently he's been getting $5,000 payouts, back to back to back. And I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you. Giving me some motivation, start holding my trades, a little longer. But let me go to the other dashboard really quick because somebody in the Discord, they asked me the other day how to, process a payout. So I feel like a good time to process a payout would be today. So let me show you all how to process a payout with the prop firm. Let me show you all how to do that really quick. But man, Shafi, my brother, keep up the great work, man. You're a major, inspiration to, traders. Major inspiration, my brother. All right, so I hope the member who was in the Discord, asking how to process a payout, I hope they're on here today, with us. All right, so let's go to Jose. Great job, Jose. All right, so let's go to our Topstep dashboard so I can show you all how to process, a payout in real time. Man, the market's still, pulling back. So for the payouts, we'll go to payouts on the left-hand side. And your boy Money Spence, he's already took out a number of payouts with the prop firm. So for today, it's not a large payout like Shafi usually be getting those $5,000 payout. It's only a payout for $445.75, but the small gains add up, family. So I'll click on request payout, continue with Wise. Then you got to type in, all of this, information. And then You'll click on save that. And damn, how much was it for again? I think it was for $445. All right, so I'm gonna do one for $445. So with a payout, right, you gotta have 5 winning trading days with a net profit of $150 or more. So I'll check that off. The payout request does not exceed 50% of your balance. It doesn't exceed 50% of my current balance. And then you check what these other ones are right here. And as long as you have 5 winning days of $500 or more, and it doesn't exceed 50% of your balance, you should be good, and they'll allow you to take out the payout. And then I'll click on submit, and then the funds, they'll be withdrawn from my account. So since I already have over $20,000 in payouts, Topstep, they'll take out a 10% commission fee, and that brought my payout amount to $401. So family, that's how process a payout in real time from Topstep. Simple and straightforward. All right, so let me check out the chat really quick. Let me see. Denise, how you doing, fam? Denise said, I'm new in trading. Can you please explain a little bit more about those accounts? So the accounts that I'm trading in, they're prop firm, with a trading prop firm, right? So let me go back over here. That's the wrong dashboard. Let me go back here. So the accounts that you see me trading in today, they're basically prop firm accounts. But man, this thing is looking too good towards the downside, fam. I'm thinking about getting back in. And I'm trading with 5 $50,000 funded accounts. But before this stage, you'll have to purchase a combine account for $49. And once you pass the combine, damn, I'm trying to talk, but this damn move, it keeps going lower. uh
Order filled.
Fuck it, I gotta get back in, family. This move is starting to look too good. This move is looking too good towards the downside. Come on, can we continue to drop, please? We're starting to, damn, now I'm down 200 and some change that fast. What the hell? It's fast as hell. See, this is what happens when you start over trading and you start getting in close near, support zones. And that's exactly what just happened to me. I got in near a support zone and we bounced. But let me share a video in the chat for members who are beginner, futures traders, just so you can have a general idea of what we're, trading on a daily basis. Because I really don't have a lot of time to explain everything right now, because I'm trying to, keep a close eye on this chart and trade at the same time. But let me see if I can find that video, and I'll share that video in the chat. Yeah, I'll share that video in the chat. All right, so for the beginners, make sure you check out that video link right there. It'll go over the basics, and with everything that we trade on a daily basis, 'cause I really don't have a lot of time to cover it right now. But I really appreciate everyone for joining the live stream. Man, today was phenomenal. Your boy Money Spence was able to make $2,529.40. I haven't made that amount in one day in quite some time. But man, today was phenomenal. And I hope everyone else was able to catch the massive downtrend that we caught on the open. But Denise, you are welcome, family. And I hope that video, the link that I just shared, I hope that video help answer some questions. If it don't, send me a message in the Discord, and I'll be able to send some additional details about the question that you asked. And let me see. Jose said, so say you have 14,000 after 5+ trading days of 150 plus, you get 50% of that. Yes, Jose, you get, actually, you know what? You don't get to take out 7,000 because the maximum payout amount that you can take out per account, it's 5,000. So they would only allow you to take out 5,000 from your prop firm account. But with the prop firm, it's a low initial start fee to start trade. You don't have to trade with a nice sizable amount. That's why I always encourage beginner traders to start off with a prop firm, because with a prop firm it only takes $50 for you to get started with a challenge account. Once you pass that challenge account, damn, SPY just crossed below. It's 20 EMA. We may start going low. Once you pass that challenge account, they'll give you a funded account with a $2,000 risk, but you'll have to pay $150 for that funded account. So that would bring your investment to $200. But it's not always that easy, because you may have to pay $50 on a number of different occasions. But that's just the basics of it. But everyone check out that video, and it should answer some additional questions that you may have. If that video doesn't answer your questions, send me a message in the Discord and I'll get back to you. But everyone, thank you for rocking with your boy Money Spence, and I really appreciate everyone's support. Today I was down a nice sizable amount at first, but I stayed I stayed persistent with my trade. And I stayed I tried my best stay disciplined and not allow my emotions to get to me. And that's what you got to do to be a professional, consistently profitable trader. You got to learn how to manage your emotions, and that's something that I did today in real time, and I'm glad you all were able to see it. But man, thank you once again, family. I'm out. I'll talk to you all tomorrow at 9:25 a.m. sharp. We'll do another live trading session. But I'm out, family. Peace. Thank you all for this continuous support.